Hello everyone, welcome back for another hair tutorial. This is your girl Rama. Today we are creating knotless braids and I'm gonna walk you guys through how I create those knotless braids that they look really nice and flat and flexible and very easy to create. Stay tuned.
On the dance floor, how you moving it, babe? I'm taking the bait. I just wanna dance with.
So with knotless braids, you do want to make sure you got your hair all prepped. You want to put little sections on the sides as you're gonna be adding hair as you go, and your hair stacked up like this on the side, so it's easier for you to walk easily.
The party started now. Girl, you such a good find. You deserve a good time. Let me hold you down. Body floating like a cruise line. Won't you be my moonshine? 'Cause you are.
So I did part the hair and now I'm sectioning the hair. I'm doing a little bit of between a medium size and a small size. It's not really small, it's not really big. So it depends on whatever you want to be doing. So I take one section and I will part that in three, and I will start the braid with the natural hair. And as you can see, as I'm demonstrating here, before I add in the hair, I start braiding with the natural hair first. And I go 1, 2, 3 before I start adding the hair. Knotless braid is fitting braids. So if you already know how to do fitting braids, this will be way easier for you. It's just fitting braiding standing up on a single braid. So as you can see, I'm adding hair over my fingers because I see some people add it right there on the side of their hands, and that can be tricky if you're a beginner and you don't really know what you're doing. So adding the hair over, grabbing it with your little finger right there and hold it, and then put the hair over the braid to grip that little section. That little piece of hair. You will have more control over it, and it makes it way easier. For this first braid, I'm only adding 2 pieces of hair, and you can start braiding from here, either because that's the size you want to do, or you can start adding more hair from here as you go, depending on the size of braids that you want to create. Also, on the next sections, I will be adding 3 pieces. I usually do add 3 pieces of hair before I start braiding it off. So just continue and watch what I'm doing. I will be doing this in real time for the first couple of braids, so you can see exactly what I'm doing.
Murder on the dance floor, how you moving it, babe? I'm taking the bait. I just wanna dance with you all night, yeah. Me no care what happen tomorrow. Girl, you got me caught in the moment. Feeling like I knew you all my life, oh.
So I will be going again real time, no speeding, so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. It does not have to be perfect. You just have to have that 3 section as you start braiding the hair. Part it in 3 sections. Make sure it's nice and tight, but not too tight where it's too tight for your client or for yourself. So just go ahead and follow how I'm doing this, adding the hair over and grabbing it with my finger on the other side. It gives him more control over the hair. And when you're doing it too, make sure that the hair is laying nice and flat so that it's not bumpy, but it's nice and flat as you add in the hair. So you can just go ahead and follow along. With this one here, I'm gonna add 3 pieces of hair, and I'm about to add the third one before I start braiding off that braid. And then you grab that and just add it to the other one, and from here you can start braiding the hair. And once you start braiding, at this point you can add more hair depending on how thick you want the braids to look, or you can stop from here. Or if you also want long braids, this is the time where you will be adding hair as you go to create the length also that you desire.
Now, girl, you such a good find. You deserve a good time. Let me hold you down, down, down. Body floating like a cruise line. Won't you be my moonshine? Looking like we getting something started today. Cause our body no play. Tell them girl levels to the glow. Murder on the dance floor, how you moving it, babe? I'm taking the bait. I just wanna dance with you all night, yeah. Me no care what happen tomorrow. Girl, you got me caught in the moment. Feeling like I knew you all my life, oh. I can take my eyes off you, baby. When you pull me close to the body, get the party started now, now, now. Girl, you such a good find. You deserve a good time. Let me hold you down, down, down. Body floating like a cruise line. Won't you be my moonshine? Cause you are. Like a running back, all over your body like a lumberjack. Me and you against the world, we running that. Tell them bring the bottles to the section, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm celebrating with the baddest one here. Looking like a goddess in here. Wanna lose myself with you tonight, yeah. Forget all about all my sorrows. Girl, you got me caught in the moment. It's like I knew you all my life, oh. Baby, I can feel the connection. I'm ready to start a commotion. You got me caught up in the moment. Murder on the dance floor. Hey, want this forever, forever. Get the party started now, now, now. Girl, you such a good find. You deserve a good time. Let me hold you down, down, down. Body floating like a cruise line. Won't you be my moonshine? eh. Looking like we getting something started today. Cause our body no play. Tell them girl levels to the glow. Murder on the dance floor, how you moving it, babe? I'm taking the bait. I just wanna dance with you all night, yeah.
And guys, this is how I create my knotless braids. As you can see, they are very flat, very flexible to move around. It can be styled as desired on the first day, and that's the purpose of the knotless braids anyway, so that you can, you know, is less tension, is less stiff. You can style it from day number one. And as you can see, this one, you can pull it up, you can pull it down. It moves very flexible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I will really appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me comments if you have any questions. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
You are